Hi, today we'll explore the functionality of Email to Tasks from Monday.com. Email to Tasks is a tool that converts your emails into tasks inside Monday. To get started, you'll need to install two extensions: the Monday.com extension, the Chrome extension for Email to Tasks. Once the extension is installed, open your email. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see the Email to Tasks logo. Clicking it will open a panel where you can create a preset. At the top, you'll notice three dots next to the Close button. Here you'll find useful options. Home, quickly return to your saved presets. Settings, choose whether to automatically add the subject line and sender's email to your task. Documentation, access full product documentation, from step-by-step tutorials to use cases for different scenarios. Super, contact our team directly, whether for partnerships or user support. Provide feedback, send us your thoughts, report bugs, or suggest improvements. Now, let's create a task. First, build your preset, give it a name. Choose your workspace and board, and then map the fields. You'll see all the fields available on your Monday board. These are fully customizable. You can add or remove fields depending on what you want to pull from the email. For example, you can connect deadlines, status options, priority, assignees, numbers, and more. Once your preset is ready, you can convert any email into a task in just seconds. Copy text from the email into the fields, select statuses, assign people, add dates, and more. All the presets you've created can be viewed, edited, or deleted at any time, so you can adjust them to fit your current needs. Finally, the task will be created in your Monday.com board. It's fully editable, and the original email is linked to it, so your team always has the full context. That's it. With Email to Tasks, you can transform emails into tasks quickly, accurately, and effortlessly.